Mr. Pokey, I hear that you have a new pet dog.
Yes, he's a cute little...
You will be pleased to hear that I have just started a new school for dogs.
A school?
Yes, I specialize in teaching dropouts, dog school dropouts. I understand your dog is a school dropout.
Yes, as a matter of fact.
So I'm sure you will want to enroll him right away.
Wait a minute. What do you teach?
Languages. 5 different languages.
This pup can't even speak one. All he can say is, no. No, 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 no. I'm sorry, but...
You can't afford to miss this chance. I guarantee 4 new words. Remember, you don't have to pay anything unless your dog speaks 4 new words. Now pay attention. This is a shadow.
No.
Tree.
No.
Say tree.
No.
Car.
No.
Please say bone.
No, no, no.
How to teach slow learners. Bone, shadow, tree, car, 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 bone, shadow, tree. That ought to teach that smart alecky pup. By now, he's probably even forgotten how to say no. Time's up. Car, bone, shadow, tree, car, bone, shadow, tree. He's disappeared. Bone, shadow, tree, car, bone, shadow, tree, car, bone. Pup? Here, pup. Gee, what will Mr. Pokey say now? Here, pup. Please come back, pup. Don't you want to learn, pup? I won't make you learn any more words, honest. Don't you want to learn? No. Shadow, tree, car, bone. Shadow, tree, car, bone.
No. I thought the professor was having trouble, but he's invited us to Pup's graduation.
And he's promised to teach him 4 words.
Right.
Attention, please. We're ready to begin. Now, pup, French.
No. Wow. He speaks French.
Russian.
Nyat.
German.
Nein.
Japanese. English.
No.
Well, he did it. It looks like you'll have to pay him.
Yeah. He's probably the only puppy that says no in 5 languages.